How to delete video on Likee app. Now, if you wish to delete a video on the Likee app, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Likee application. Now just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right to come to your profile page. Here, once you're on your profile page, you should be able to see a list of the videos that you've posted. So now just go to that certain video which you would like to delete. Tap on its share icon from the bottom right and you will see this pop-up menu where you can see a couple of options, but you have to scroll towards the right hand side. Then there you'll find this trash icon that says delete. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the delete button there. It will ask you for a confirmation, so you can tap on the delete button and that particular post or the video will be successfully deleted. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.